What the fanta is this? Wow, holy
cow.
Holy cow, yeah. Here is a hole. And that is some leaks of liquid, maybe. Not very good.
Now we will unscrew the front tire, and first we need to put 2 stones at the back tire. A big one in front of back tire and small one at back of back tire. Here we go.
We must to check is front brake pads good or not good, and if they are not good, we must to replace them. I need some with D40 because it's too tight. And wait 5 minutes.
More, yeah? You want more?
What the fanta is this? Wow.
Holy cow.
Holy cow, yeah. Here is a hole in the and that is some leaks of liquid, maybe. Not very good. Okay, let's see what we have with our brake pads.
So
give me a screwdriver, please.
A screwdriver now.
Here is liquid leaks. Here is hole in the carpet. I don't know how it will be in English. This piston is jammed, maybe. Yeah, the brake pads are gone, almost exactly.
We can say everything is bad.
Everything is
What?
too bad.
What?
Broken.
Broken.
It's bolted, completely bolted.
What?
It's madness.
Oh no.
Another one.
Oh.
Complete madness.
Oh, Fanta.
How will drive it? We did MOT 2 months ago. The one specialist was very good on this MOT.
We found what he checked.
Disc good?
Not very good, but maybe if we... I think we must to change the disc, this one device.
Think.
Yeah. This one and this one. But
And
today,
brake parts.
Today we have only brake pads. Maybe at first we do brake pads and then we will drive to new all these parts.
Everything is very
No,
bad.
no, this one is
Yeah, that's normal.
normal. This one I don't know. Yeah, it's okay too. This one is okay too, but maybe we missed.
But we have a hole and a leak of something.
Yeah. Okay. We need to push the piston backwards, and for that we open brake liquid, liquid for brakes valve to that liquid can go above. We must to soften it this one part, the piston, and we must to change parts now, but then we must replace all this stuff. This one, and
With little words,
it's
we need to replace everything.
This is a metal.
A metal.
Yeah, it's very
But
bad.
it's broken.
Yeah, it's
You saw. No, at the start, but these parts of brake parts.
okay. Let's unpack the new one. Jesus. Yeah, you see difference. And all we drive like this, and it was not very safety with this type of brakes. Yeah, it's okay. This part is going forward and it's okay. And this one. We did new brake pads. It's working good. Here is working. This one is okay. And now we will try to push this one back and to do it not stuck. Okay. To push this piston back, or not piston, I don't know how it's in English. To put this thing back, we must do some improvised device. Something like this. Yeah. Be better. And here maximum here. this. Did it like this. It. That support piston is back, and it's I think we must to push the brakes pedal to do it one more time, because we need that will be too easy to move back and forward. Okay, we will do it now. Put these things back. Something like this. Yeah, I need some 14 key. I don't have special grids, but for my bike will be better than nothing. Next time. Yes. Everything is good, everything will get it, but we need to change the dust cover here. Okay, it will be next time.
Everything is very
Come
good.
out.
Come out of the car. I need to put the tire back on his place. We will screw the bolts back. We need to put this thing.
Yeah, I have the hole here. Maybe it will be like this. This. I don't have any special oil, but I have bike for my bike, and it will be better than nothing.
Yeah.
To unscrew it next time. Like this. And like this. And last one, something like this. Not the same, but it not have any chance. Okay, let's. Son, your turn, please.
My turn.
Yeah.
Wow.
No,
No.
another direction. Next.
No.
Next one, this one.
Next one. What? Smell this?
Okay, please.
What?
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, I think I little broken.
No, no, it's broken. Only paint. That's good.
The jug.
The joke is fun with this.
I did it how I can.
And we need.
I did it good.
We changed all
The brake.
brake pads. Because of new brake pads, all the quantity of brake liquid turn above, and we must take it. This 1 minute, it will be easy to do. .4, and we need some bigger
This thing.
device.